Welcome. You been? Drake. I'm gonna drink that. If you're new to the show, thank you for coming. If you're old to the show, great to see you back. This week, I'm diving into Flying Monkey's Space Age Sunshine. This right here is a quadruple IPA. It is an orange creamsicle coming in at 11.6%. That's a hefty boy. So, pretty excited. It literally is just described as extra strong beer with flavors. So, I better get orange, dream, cream, all of it out of this. Nice head on it. Okay, you calm down. Make them. Told it not to make them. Made a mess. Anyways, the head tastes really fucking good. Yeah, nice color to it. Very happy, very pleased with this. Def Definitely a quadruple. Not in a bad way though. Like this orange is humming. Trying to get the cream. Trying to find it. Gotta get through the phone. It's in there. Goodness. Fucking great. Yes, we got a little story. All right, so quadruple dry hopping and nostalgic creamsicle energy continue the historic victory of Sparklepuff, warming the galactic void with 11.6% ABV, vanilla bolts of belly warming light, still defending the universe with power of craft brewing. If you've not had anything from Flying Monkeys, they definitely dare to be different. They are based out of Canada. I was trying to see the exact city, but my brain is not working properly. We're gonna find it. Ontario. Perfect. Sorry about that, guys. I should know that by now. Drank plenty of your stuff, but I give this one for a quad. I'm gonna give it a solid 9 out of 10. Like it hits. It's good. Well, let's get drunk. Cheers.